Hi guys!
Welcome to my channel.
Want this? So let's start the video. First open the Thunder VPN app. Now click on Connect. After connected, open CapCut app. Now click on Template. Search 2022. Click this. Click on Use Template. Now select photos that want to add.
He's back and better than ever. I can feel my heart rate, adrenaline pressure. It's stormy weather, lightning, thunder, pouring weather. Yo, I'm a go-getter, try to do it like me, but I do it better. I got a mind that's clever, the beast inside is competitive as ever.
After that,
I'm conscious, my subconscious, an accomplice to me.
click on Preview.
I promise the darkness, I can honest believe. But don't cross me, I might lose control of the lost beast. He's locked away inside with the key control by fight or flight. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way,
Click on Text to change the text. Now click on Edit. Now you can change the text. After completing, click on Export. Now click on Export without watermark.
Cause when there's no legs, it'll kill when I'm desperate. This world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective.
Now your video is ready.
When I'm threatened, and if you stay in my way,
Thank you for watching my video. For more tutorial, like the video, hit the subscribe button.